Damper's in the wrong spot. Your sensor, power, low voltage, transformer, vent damper, and spark. Where did spark go? Where did the spark wire go? There it is. Okay, now. Damper's in the wrong spot. All for heat. Alright, 18. Four, 6, 7, and followed by 8. Main valve opens. Main valve's running. Disconnect call for heat. Okay. Now to 1. And the circulator turned off. Alright. Basement zone valve. Jacked up. Oh, it's spinning out too. Oh, you pain in the ass, you. Make that a little snug.